Hey guys, I'm Danielle and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Danielle Salazar and I am a blogger and content creator over at basichousewife.com, where I talk about all things subscription box reviews, shopping guides, gift guides, product reviews, all that kind of stuff. Today I am super excited because I'm opening a subscription box with you guys that I have been wanting to get forever, and one finally came to my doorstep and I'm super excited to open it with you. That being said, today we are opening the Alltrue box. So if you aren't familiar with Alltrue, it's probably because you know it by its former name, CAUSEBOX. If you aren't familiar with Alltrue, it's probably because you know it by its former name, CAUSEBOX. They wanted to rebrand to find a name that just better suited their mission and who they are. And if you aren't familiar with them, Alltrue is a lifestyle subscription box that focuses on fair and sustainable goods. This is a quarterly subscription box, so you'll get 4 a year, and you can choose to either be a seasonal or an annual member. If you want details on all of the membership and how Alltrue works, what you can expect in your boxes, etc., I will have all that information in a link down in the description, so you can check that out below. But I'm ready to open this thing up because it is literally like busting open. It's so packed. So let's just start unboxing it. So in the fall box, all members are going to get 6 full-sized items, but depending on your membership level will determine what items you get. So if you are a seasonal member, you get to choose 3 items in your box, and if you are an annual member, you get to choose all of the items in your box. I'm already seeing things I'm super excited about, so let's dive in. So the first thing that's right on top are Molly Suds wool dryer balls. I don't know if you guys have tried dryer balls, but I love them. I am a total essential oil junkie. You can see my diffuser and my oils in the background there. And so I freaking love using dryer balls instead of dryer sheets. I just think that they are so much better for the environment. They're so much better for your clothes and your body instead of taking in all of the chemicals and toxins that are in the soap. So super excited for these. It's a pack of 3. Oh, I love this. So there's a little set of necklaces in here, which actually is perfect. I was trying to find a gold necklace today and I wear mostly silver, so I had a hard time finding anything gold, but these are perfect. Look at those small little chains. I love those. I'm gonna put these on right after this video. Already loving it so far. Next we have seaweed collagen eye masks. Can never have too many eye masks, especially in the winter when my tan starts fading and my dark circles start to become more prominent. These are 24K pure nano-active gold hyaluronic acid masks. Sounds amazing. I don't know what half of that means, but I cannot wait to use these. Formulated for all skin types. So this is a skin nutrition balm vegan. So just like a good hydrating balm, probably like for your hands. My hands and like my knuckles and like this little area right here gets so dang dry in the winter. I will definitely be keeping this by my bed and throwing this on every single night. Next, I think this is a welcome mat, which would be literally ideal because I was saying that I need to go buy one of these this week. Wow. Talk about good timing. So yeah, this is a straw welcome mat from a company. Like not a company, but like the brand is called a company. It says our handcrafted styles empower indigenous and fair trade artisans in over 50 countries around the world. I love this. This is literally perfect, you guys. I kid you not. I was about to go to Target or Michael's later and buy a straw mat. Like, not even joking. So this is so perfect. I love it. It says welcome, if you can't tell. I love this. So perfect for fall. Now I have straw all over me. All right, and the last thing that we have looks like a bag. This is so pretty. This is like the perfect work tote. How pretty is this? So this is a Henny and Leave tote bag. It's in a really pretty, like, it's a little darker than camel. I don't know what you would call this. I'm not very good with my colors. But look at that. Do we love it or do we love it? I love that it has this little front pocket here, perfect for like your phone, your keys, something you need to slide in, an iPad maybe. Oh, it also has a long strap. Perfect. I'm a long strap girl, 100%. So, do we like that? Inside, pretty simple, has a nice like suede lining in there. This is gorgeous. So that is everything that came in my fall Alltrue box. Again, if you want to learn more about Alltrue in terms of what you can expect for costs, how memberships work, and all of that kind of stuff, I have a link down in my bio that gives you all of that information. Otherwise, if you are sold and ready to get a box for yourself, I have a link down in my description for that as well. And if you are totally sold and ready to get a box for yourself, then I also have a link for that down in my description. It is a commissionable link, just a heads up. So I earn a small percentage when you purchase through that link, but by no means feel obligated to, but I also really appreciate any support you guys are willing to give. So that being said, if you want to check out Alltrue, links are in the description. Otherwise, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you've tried Alltrue before, let me know in the comments because I'm obsessed and I now need it every season, I think. So yeah, you guys have a great day. Bye.